Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while since I made a review or a stable kind of video like this. We could put it as informative video as such. In this video, I'm just gonna be talking about my recent purchase of the handlebar. Yep, I got this new handlebar. It is from Art of Motorcycles. If you guys don't know, this is a very famous handlebar used among Himalayan riders or any other Royal Enfield bikes, mostly because they manufacture these handlebars for Royal Enfield bikes, and among that the Himalayan handlebar seems to be pretty famous. For the longest time I've been avoiding getting this handlebar. First thing is that I was really worried if I would mess up how the bike looks. Second thing is that I was worried if it would suit me for my physique and my build and my height and everything, most importantly height. So these two were my main concern about changing the handlebar, and that's why for 3 years I haven't changed it. But finally, last time when I went to Bangalore, before I think 2 weeks ago, I pulled the trigger on this handlebar and I was like, okay, let's just go to Art of Motorcycle and just change it. So I was somewhere close to Koramangala and I was like, okay, let's just go and change it. I didn't even call Zohaib bhai. He was not even in Art of Motorcycles when I changed the handlebar. He was in Dandeli on a ride with Born to Ride, BTR Laksh. You guys might know him. So he was there, and the reason I changed it so spontaneously is because since a few months I've been facing severe back issues or neck pain issues, and I had no idea because long rides were really uncomfortable for me, and I noticed I had a bend on my handlebar. Once you have that bend, you're gonna automatically have the back pain. For sure, 100%, no doubt. So always check out for handlebar bends. It might have happened during my off-roading sessions in Chikmagalur or those areas, I don't know. Might have been. I dropped my bike a couple of times, so might have happened during that time. Just why get a new stock bar when you have such a nice handlebar in the market where people are really praising and going mad about it? So I was like, why should I get the stock bar again? I can just get the Art of Motorcycles handlebar to, just feel it, use it and everything. That's how I got this handlebar. Okay, first difference that I noticed after getting the handlebar, the height of course, and the width was much different than the stock bar. Not gonna lie, this felt a lot more confident. Feel is that when you put on this handlebar, you think it's gonna be pretty hard in traffic to maneuver in traffic. But no, not really. Maybe the first 2 days it might be that way because you need to get used to the width. There's a noticeable difference in the width, so you need to get used to that. But once you get used to that, I feel like this is much more comfortable in traffic. No joke, I feel this is much more comfortable in traffic. That's probably because of the height that increased, because before it used to be here or somewhere here, like over here. This used to be my handlebar, I think. Yeah, I don't know, it was like really short for me. This is much more confident. You could pull your bike from any kind of situation, that kind of confident, and I was really happy with that. But actually, you know what, the main purpose of this handlebar is to fix your post, because most of the people who ride this bike must be using it for long rides. If you type in Art of Motorcycles handlebar on YouTube, you're gonna find a video from Junaid bhai's channel. You'll find him explaining properly what's the purpose and everything. So just kindly go watch that, and then you'll know the purpose of it, because right now I can't show the posture because I don't have a tripod. So the main reason for me to change this was just my back pain. Yep, and it's been way better. Like, I'm shooting this video after riding this bike with the handlebar for I think somewhere around 2000 ballpark. Yeah. That's my experience with the handlebar. It's been really good, and my neck pain is considerably, I wouldn't say my neck pain is completely gone. Like, it's really messed up already, so it might take some time for me to heal it. I'm not getting any medical help or something because I don't think it's that serious, but you can't let this happen, right? And apart from that, on highways, oh my god, comfortable as hell. Don't get me started on that. So comfortable on highways, and it's love. And if you guys are wondering, these mirrors, double take mirrors, these were given to me by Zohaib bhai just for a few days, because I had plans to get the double take mirrors, and before investing so much money into a mirror, I just wanted a feel of it, just use and see what's so good about these things. And using them for again 2000 kilometers, I would say on highways it's really good. On highways it's fucking perfect. 100%, no vibrations, nothing. Stock mirrors that you get with Himalayan, you all know that is just utter waste. Wanted to upgrade my mirrors, but then I just didn't want to put those box mirrors or KT mirrors or NS 200 mirrors and everything. So I really didn't want to do it because it kind of messes how the bike looks. I didn't want to do that. OCD, man, I can't do anything. OCD kicks in really badly. My OCD is the reason why I didn't get the handlebar for all these years. And once I got it, I was really surprised. My perspective is totally different. If I see this same handlebar, another Himalayan, I wouldn't like it. I don't know. I wouldn't like it. Even now, if I see this handlebar on another bike, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of that. But once I got it onto my bike, I'm fucking loving it. So yeah, my OCD is on a different level, so don't get me started on that. If it wasn't for that bend, I wouldn't change to this handlebar. Really loving it. Not because this is not a sponsored video or anything, obviously not that, because Art of Motorcycles doesn't sponsor anyone. So yeah, man, that's it for the video. I guess there's nothing really to talk about it. It's really perfect. I love this handlebar. It's really comfortable to me. If you like it, go buy it. That's all. You can order it online from Art of Motorcycles website. So yeah, did I miss any kind of points? Highway tours, perfect. City, perfect again. No issue. You don't need to worry about the width. It's not so wide that it's gonna hinder your maneuvering and everything. So don't worry. Off-roading, perfect, man. I forgot about the off-roading part. During off-roading and while you saddle on the bike, saddle in the sense stand on the bike and ride, it is really comfortable. You don't have to lean. It's got a noticeable difference when you compare with the stock bar. So when you stand, I'm standing on the bike. See, look at my hands. It is really straight. I don't have to lean. Yeah, although you need to lean a bit forward. That's how you off-road. Or if you're in a highway and if you want to just stretch, stand, just do all sort of things like that, this is perfect. Like, look at that, and my legs are straight. Now before on stock bar, I used to lean a bit forward in order to freaking reach the handlebar. This handlebar's got a raise that it's not going to affect you while you sit, as well as it's going to be really convenient for you when you stand. That is something they've mastered the engineering on this one. And if you're thinking that installing this handlebar will kind of reduce your vibrations, I don't think so. It's almost similar to stock bar in terms of vibrations. And if you're wondering if it touches the windscreen, no, look at that. There's a lot, at least 2 inches right there for sure. So don't worry about that as well. I think that's it for the video, guys. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. Thanks to Art of Motorcycles for such a nice product. And see you guys later. Bye bye.